Good afternoon. It's a great pleasure for me to host and to open this webinar. I must welcome all the participants coming from all over Europe and connect virtual. My first words is for my co-host, Simona Bonafè, my colleague, that is also one of the co-chairs of the Intergroup Sustainable Long-Term Investments and Competitive European Industry, that is one organizers of this event, together with the European Textile Association, EURATEX. As I've said, I'm one of the co-chairs of the Intergroup, together with my colleague Simona Bonafè, the other host of this meeting, and our colleague, Mr. Dominique Riquet. And the main objective of this forum is to promote the sustainable investments and also the competitiveness and the sustainability of the European industrial policy. We want to provide a horizontal fora where MEPs from different committees, Econ, Budget, ITRE, Trans, Regio, that are organized in the Parliament in a very vertical way. So we are providing an horizontal forum that the MEPs can discuss with the stakeholders, with the industry, with the institutions, the investment institutions, the challenge and the solution for the competitiveness of the European economy, in particular the industry. Today's seminar is organized through Zoom, as you are linked, and there is some details that I want, practical details that I want to tell you. First, to warn you that this meeting is going to be recorded, and that you can use the feature, the chat, to put questions or comments to the attention of the different moderators of the panels. We will discuss today, as you know, the European textile strategy, in general, the main challenge of the European textile industry. And as you know, the European Commission, it is foreseen that the European Commission will adopt European textile strategy by the end of this year. It's good that the European textile industry has been recognized as one of the 14 critical ecosystems in the Commission's paper of the industrial strategies. And it's very good that it's there, as it is a sector that has been has suffered quite a lot with the present crisis. But on the opposite, is one of the sectors that has historically a competitive advantage on the other when compared with the other parts of the world. So, but is also a sector that is undergoing enormous transformation to become greener and to get more digital. We have very good examples of companies that have advanced a lot, but the textile industry is a very complex ecosystem. So we have many small enterprises that it's going to pose a lot of challenges, the challenge this process of the greening and the digitalization. And we must be sure that this transformation towards a new business model for the textile that is based on sustainability, use of clean technologies, digitalization, fair trade, has the necessary support from the Union and its member states. As I said, is a very important industry in terms of for the economy and also in terms of jobs. And it is also important that the companies also make use of the best available technologies, the best available knowledge that we have in our research centers, in our universities that are there to help the sector. So improving the competitiveness and showing resilience by reducing the wastes and concentrate in a wider variety of products with higher value added is some of the challenge. We have to make sure that the new strategy is a balanced strategy that doesn't pose a burden on the sector that can disrupt the sector. So we need to do this transition in a very balanced way, in the helping and doing collaborative work with the institutions that can help the sector, and also that this strategy is in line with other ones like the EU industrial strategy, the new EU trade strategy, the Pact for Skills, and mainly with the financing schemes that we have in front of us for the next few years. It's very important that the resilience and recovery plan, the European budget and the different programs inside the European budget are in line and may finance or will co-finance all this transformation that you have in front of you. As I've said, the textile industry has a complex value chain involving multi-production steps, resulting in a variety of products ranging from clothing and fashion to industrial filters, high-performance fibers, and medical equipment, homes, special fibers for homes, cars, planes, windmills. So it's a very large variety of products. So we hope that the strategy will consider the entire value chain of the industry, and that will create the conditions for this transformation to be done in a very sustainable way and to contribute for the economy and the well-being of the sector. So this is our few elements that probably most sure will be discussed today. And I look forward to the discussion. I look forward to hear from all of you. Let me finalize saying that is a sector that is very important for the country that I come from Portugal, and I'm very pleased that we have so many Portuguese registered and attending this seminar. So I would like to ask Mauro Scalia to start the debate and to be the first and the first one to talk after me. So Mauro, please, you're going to be the moderator of the first panel. Thank you very much to everyone that is speaking, moderating, and attending this event. Thank you.